The Nardwuar X Nike SB Dunk Low is set to shake up the sneaker world with a design bursting with personality and collector appeal. Dropping on December 6, 2025, this special collaboration blends Nardwuar's signature tartan style with Nike SB's classic dunk DNA. The pair stands out with its plaid upper in red, green, navy, and yellow, paired with black suede swooshes, laces, and midsoles for a clean, grounded contrast. Fans will also appreciate the colorful extra lace set for added customization. Inside the shoe, exclusive insoles showcase Nardwuar's face, his human Serviette nickname, and co-branded Nike SB details. Beneath the foot, translucent outsoles reveal speech bubble graphics featuring his iconic Doot doola Doot catchphrase, making this drop even more memorable. Retailing at $140, the sneaker will be available first at select skate shops, followed by a Nike SNKRS release on December 9, 2025. A must-see for collectors and SB fans.